Hello, foodies. This is Juan from Eating with Carmen Food Tours, bringing you the best of Mexico. And right behind me, I have El Mercado Coyoacán, or Coyoacan's public market. It's one of the biggest markets we have. Inside of it, you can find almost everything. You can find delicious Mexican food. You can find arts and crafts. You can find piñatas and things for your piñatas, Mexican candy. You can find meat. You can find even bugs to eat. So it's an amazing market. It's a must. Next time you come visit Mexico, don't miss it, and send this video to somebody who loves markets.